Before we jump into AMC and GameStop, I want to talk about a couple of tickers that are having their own personal short squeeze setups and are looking pretty good. Ticker symbol FFIE. Yes, we've talked about it in the past. Someone called it out in Discord before it ran 10,000%. You could say this is technically breaking out of a wedge to the upside, which would be a bullish signal. Ticker symbol BNED, Barnes & Noble Education, up 61% today. We called it when it was up 13% this morning. In fact, we talked about it last night in Discord as well. I do want to say I'm not the first person to call this out, just to put it out there. But if you're not in the Discord, you missed out on another 64% gain. Last but not least, something to keep a side eye on is ticker symbol SAVA, Cassava Sciences, with a high short interest with cycles that we have been tracking since way back. I expect Cassava Sciences to have a retracement coming into early June, the second week of June, before moving higher at that second week mark of June, starting another cycle. That is what I anticipate to happen for Cassava Sciences. So as soon as it goes on sale, I may be looking for an opportunity. What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we have a lot of stuff to cover with AMC as well as GameStop. And the first thing I want to talk about is Roaring Kitty is not gone. Roaring Kitty is actually posting encrypted messages once again, but he's gone on Twitter. These are on his TikTok page, and it's being pointed out in Discord as well. This was talked about prior when he was actually tweeting memes. He put AMC in his TikTok bio. He linked his TikTok and his YouTube that is unused. And he's doing all of these things. And this is why. He said in his TikTok bio, "They cannot win. I can't make a mistake." That is what Roaring Kitty has put in his TikTok bio. And then he changed it right back to what it was before. Only follow the Roaring Kitty on X. Okay, this is important, right? He's telling you they cannot win no matter how hard they're going to try and control the price here. All right, as long as we hold. He's saying he cannot make a mistake. He's letting us know, listen, I can't say anything. They have eyes on me, and if I make a mistake, I'm gone forever. You're going to lock him up. Right, this is my interpretation of it. Drop your own interpretations in the comments down below. Jumping into AMC short interest before we touch on the charts, 13.82% according to Ortex options chain for the week. 42,000 calls compared to 32,000 puts expiring in the money, and then 219,000 calls expiring out of the money. A lot of premium going to market makers so far, but it's only Tuesday. Short exempt still extremely high, over 1 million. Now, this is what happened on the first run up back in January 2021, and this is going to lead me into what I want to talk about. This is what I think AMC has a chance at doing. AMC is going to come into this box. This box is between $5.35 to $5.70. At this point, AMC is either A, going to get held up and be done, or you're going to see a lot of momentum push through this zone. Okay, it may get held up temporarily, and you're going to see a lot of momentum push through this zone. As of right now, this is the midpoint that I'm watching for AMC. After that, $6.31, $9. Easy as that, clean cut slate. That's what I'm watching for AMC, trading at 466, down about 4% on the day. Now, check out this Max Pain option chain that's absolutely stacked, created just now at 6:03 p.m. May 19th, 2024. AMC's Max Pain is $5. Look at the money that's in the options of AMC. This is systematic risk. Take a look at how much options are holding for AMC contracts as of right now. Hundreds of millions of dollars at extremely high strike prices, over $20. That is going to lead me into my next point. After AMC breaks 9 and the previous high at 12, it's going to go up to 20 in my opinion. Nothing I say is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, but these are the levels that I am currently watching. Now, yesterday at 3:50 p.m., aka 10 minutes before the market closed Eastern Standard, someone pushed the entire GameStop options chain premium bullish. Seriously, take a look. They put 4.8 million June 21st calls at the ask, all new opening volume, made entire options sentiment bullish, and Jimmy's price skyrocketed shortly after. Options move markets. That's going to lead us into the options chain. 48,000 calls compared to 27,000 puts expiring in the money. So we are winning on the options chain. Over 1 million short exempt volume still on the week for GameStop. Jumping into the charts, this was back January 2021. Coming up, getting held up right here, which exactly is a possibility. This is what I want to talk about with GameStop as well. $25.50 to $32 is the same box I think GameStop has, just like AMC. Now, GameStop has been trying to hold this ascending support level, making higher highs and higher lows. Broke below once, came back up, and now it is breaking below twice today. Meaning, I think personally, GameStop has not hit our $18 flat price target. I think by the end of the day today, maybe after hours, flush down and touch that. As soon as we hit that, spring higher, probably after hours or pre-market tonight. That's what I'm expecting for GameStop. Watch for a hold between $25.50 and $32. This is a zone where it could get held up temporarily before gaining more momentum to the upside. That is what I see for GameStop as well as AMC. Last but not least, Meta Materials to go after market manipulators that participated in naked shorting their stock. Ticker symbol MMAT, MMTLP. This was long ago, but now it is coming back around. The lawyers have now concluded that Meta has meritorious claims for market manipulation against several parties in regards to MMAT and MMTLP. I believe Meta has an actionable case in connection with its MMAT, MMTLP claims. We look forward to working with the company, West Christian. Another great step going forward. Next thing I want to talk about, overall market, S&P 500 got sort of a double top here, fighting resistance. I said before, you're not looking for a pullback, you're looking for accumulation right up around this zone, and that is what I expect. And I still, towards the end of the week, right, Thursday, Friday, curl up on the SPY to break this double top and touch 435. That is what I'm watching. I still think it is the case. Tomorrow night, Nvidia earnings, currently trading at 950. Same thing, getting the accumulation, trying to break over this level at 950, trying its hardest. Once it does, you got almost a clean shot. Okay, you may get held up at 974, but almost a clean shot to 1100 on Nvidia. Tesla looking beautiful, up about 4%, trading at 180.88. If we close above 180, I would love that. I am still in my Tesla calls. I said over the next couple of months, Tesla's going to come up to 230, and I still stand by that. Bitcoin looking gorgeous, touched 70K yesterday, coming back down and basing right up here at 69,000. We were watching 69,000, but now as long as we build it as support on 69K and close above that, full open, full close above 69,000 is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. I am looking forward to it. Alts are moving with it as well, just like we said when AMC and GameStop moves. Bitcoin moves, alts move, everything moves, money's flowing back into the market. Now what's different this time is Ethereum Classic is actually curling back higher, even though it's in the wrong part of the cycle. At first we thought, okay, this may be over and we're going to play through another cycle because Ethereum Classic played through one of the white zones instead of the green zones. However, Ethereum Classic is curling back up and trying to break above this supply zone that it's in. If we break above 32.50 and we hold above that, you're looking for a nice rally, okay? You're looking for a nice rally up to $45 on Ethereum Classic as well as Ethereum. Now, what is doing all of this? The SEC tells exchanges to update their Ethereum ETF filings on an accelerated basis. Reports of 80% chance to Ethereum ETF approval by the SEC. So the rumors are being bought up right now on Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, all across the board. And overall, money's flowing into the markets, money's flowing into cryptos, and everything is looking pretty good. Let me know your thoughts on GameStop and AMC in the comments down below and the Roaring Kitty thing with his TikTok. Thank you guys so much for the support. We are about to hit 22,000 subscribers, so shout out to you guys. The top link in the description, if you haven't figured it out yet, is my custom indicator that is now out for pattern detection as well as forecasting. In my opinion, the best indicator out there, and the company that even made it for me, and we talked back and forth to get my indicator done and put out for you guys, said that mine is one of the best, if not the best, that they have done. So this is extremely important to me. If you guys want my indicator, press the top link and go get access right now. Also, the Discord is under the video where I post my trades as soon as I take them. We talk stocks and crypto all day long. Most amazing people, best vibes, cheapest Discord. It's $4. It's $3.99 a month. It's a coffee, sacrifice a coffee, level yourself up for the year. If you want up to 10 free fractional shares of the Magnificent 7 for doing nothing, open a Moomoo account. It's a free broker. It's the second link under the video. Make a deposit into there of any amount to start earning benefits. That is it, guys. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.